Imagine owning a bomb shelter with a built-in gun range. That's exactly what we do here at Atlas Survival Shelters. Atlas fulfills all your needs when it comes to protecting your family from any disaster. This gun range is 50 meters long and has sound-absorbing cushions on the wall. Atlas will custom build your bunker with a built-in gun room that can display as many guns as you desire. Now, imagine shooting those guns underground. How cool is that? Only at Atlas Survival Shelters. Call or email us today for a free consultation. We work worldwide and have the best reputation in the world when it comes to bomb shelters.